When you're handling immigration at scale, the rules are changing, the stakes are high, and the margin for error is small. The challenge is that static workflows and policies don't scale. When you handle every decision in isolation, it's hard to stay consistent, and it's even harder to track the regulations for every country you hire in. The most efficient programs, well, they don't work harder. They work with a system. Here's how you manage immigration at scale in 4 easy steps. Step 1, centralize the decision-making. You need a clear process between HR, legal, and tax on exactly who approves a move and how. When authority is clear, you spend less time on internal emails and more time on the work that matters. Step 2, set your policy in advance. You shouldn't have to review eligibility requirements every time a new request comes in. Define which immigration routes you sponsor, under which conditions, and within what budget. Then, managers know it's viable before the paperwork begins. Step 3, keep all your data in one place. Every work authorization, expiration date, and supporting documents should be visible in one system. This stops the manual hunt for files and ensures you're always audit ready with reports in an instant. Step 4, use technology for the admin and experts for the law. Let automation handle alerts, reporting, and renewals. Use legal counsel and immigration experts for the complexities. This balance keeps the administrative work off your plate while making sure you have local expertise where it counts. When you build your immigration program this way, it stops being a series of urgent fire drills and starts being a predictable part of how your company grows.